इसके जो ओवर ड्रामेटिक रिजल्ट्स दिख रहे थे, जब भी आप इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो उनके वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, ऐसे रिजल्ट्स की एक वाइप करो और इंस्टेंटली इतने दिनों का जो टैन है वो सब निकल जा रहा है। क्या सच में काम करता है? ये सेफ है? Now this brand also communicates that it's dermatologically tested, but dermatologically tested is just another marketing tool. और क्या आपको इसको चूज करना चाहिए या कुछ और ऑप्शंस को मेडिकल लाइन में एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए? Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Rajiv Mishra, MBBS gold medalist and a resident cardiovascular surgeon. So checking the ingredients, I see Glutathione, Arbutin, Kojic Acid and Peroxides, potent antioxidants. So, the formulation looks promising. It can really remove tan, but I'll check it out myself whether it works on my skin or not. On the bigger side, you need to pour the lotion, and on the smaller one, the powder, and it should be like exact to the measurements that they've prescribed, just in case to be fair enough for the brand as well. So it changes from white to pink, and once the tan's removed, it must turn back to white. So after mixing vigorously, it looks like this whipped cream kind of consistency. You can see doesn't drop off, and then the brand recommends to use a pre-polished cream just for the protection of the skin barrier. So I really like how thinkful the brand is about the skin barrier as well. The full marks on this one, and after that I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna apply like a square for the patch test. So now we'll wait for either 20 minutes or until it turns white. Now this brand also communicates that it's dermatologically tested, but dermatologically tested is just another marketing tool, and almost every other company uses it. But I'm a doctor. I keep writing medical articles. I've published a lot of articles. My always propagation to all the patients as well is that you should always check whether it's really done or it's really recognized by some official authority or not. So I went on to the CTRI's website, Clinical Trials Registry of India's website, to check the same. And I found one study, the dermatological safety of test product by 24 hours patch test. But to my surprise, I found out another as well for the evaluation of organoleptics and how it works, how the product works as well. So this is really good because they are not just making tall claims, they are also substantiating it through the research papers, and it's there on the official government website. So now it's almost 17 minutes and I'm gonna wipe it out. So it's truth time now. So let's check it out. Let's check out the results. So this is the tissue in my hand. I'm gonna wipe it out. And wow, that is amazing. You can see the results. So I'm really amazed. You can see the elated smile on my face. The results are fantastic. So in conclusion, this product turned out amazing. It was not gimmicky and sticked to all the promises and claims that it made. Thank you so much for being there throughout the video. If you want me to check out any other video or review any other product, drop down in the comments below and I'll gladly do it for all of you guys. Dr. Rajiv Mishra signing off.